Not every WhatsApp chat belongs in your CRM, and not everyone on your team should edit every field. Eazybe puts sync control right in your hands. Choose which chats sync, decide who can edit which properties, and confirm everything's up to date, all without leaving your flow. Let's start with what syncs. Create a shared label in the Eazybe extension and drop the chats you want to keep private into it. Then click the Backup and Sync icon, select HubSpot, and hit Don't Sync next to that label. One label and every chat inside it stays out of your CRM. And if you want more control over your data, open Settings, pick a team, and choose a module: Contacts, Deals, or Tickets. Check the properties they're allowed to edit, leave the rest read-only, and click Save. Then, head to Extensions and click Apply to make it live. To make sure nothing slips through the cracks, log into your Eazybe workspace as admin, click Dashboard, and check the last chat synced column. One glance shows you exactly when every team member last synced. That's total control over your sync, the right chats, the right editors, and full visibility. So your HubSpot data stays clean and trustworthy. Take control today.